Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Galaxia. To begin with, let me start with a simple question. Have you ever noticed the brightness of an inverter bulb reduces by 50% when power goes off? Do you know the reason behind it? It's just simple that the product features of a 9-volt inverter bulb contains that. So, today we are going to discuss the product features of 9-volt inverter bulb with detailed specification. So, check this video and get updated. For this video, we are using a 9-volt inverter bulb of Crompton brand. Okay, so let's go through these specifications. So the first specification is mentioned as up to 4 hours of backup lamp light. So this bulb is capable to glow for 4 hours when power goes off. For this bulb to glow for 4 hours, it requires 8 to 10 hours of charging period. So for this to glow for 4 hours, keep that in mind, it needs 8 to 10 hours of charging period. This bulb consists of 2200 mAh lithium ion battery for longer life. This is the second product feature of this bulb. So this bulb consists of lithium ion battery. As you all know, lithium ion is a highly durable battery and hence it will last for longer life. Okay, so this is the second product feature. Now let's go to the third product feature. The third product feature is overcharge, deep discharge and short circuit protection. So this contains voltage protector of 440 volt which prevents voltage fluctuations from our electricity board. So the next product feature is mentioned as LED burning hours up to 25,000 hours. So in the previous video we have discussed about this. So this LED can grow up to 25,000 hours, which means 2 years and 8 months without any interruptions. And now let's go to the next feature. The next feature is no UV by IR rays. So UV means ultraviolet, IR means infrared rays. So this product is free from UV and IR rays, so no harm is affected by our body through this artificial lighting sources. So the next product feature is the rated lumen in backup mode is up to 50% of normal mode. So in the first section I have asked you questions. So this is the answer for this question. So in backup mode, only 50% of the lumens is emitted by this bulb. That means the brightness of this bulb is reduced by 50%. As you all know, lumen is measured by brightness. So the brightness of this bulb is reduced by 50% when power goes off. But as well as in normal mode, the lumens will be 900 lumens. In backup mode, it will be 450 lumens. So that's all for today guys. To our channel if you like this video. If you have any queries or doubts related to this product or these features, please comment us below so that we will get you updated in our next video. So thank you. Bye.